Sup vlog, another day, another adventure. Got my boy Fortune up from the city to the city. Yesterday we went out for a nice little dinner at Brazos. It was nice to catch up with my friends and stuff. And today we about to go on a nice little 5k run, 6k run, and then we'll probably go out for breakfast, take you guys along with me, do a few bits and bobs, hit up Central, eye up a few pieces, maybe buy a few pieces. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a good vlog. And yeah, I'm healing up nicely. If you know, you know from the last vlog. I'm healing up nicely, and then I'm also gonna go through in this vlog what stuff I'm bringing for Barbados, kind of what stuff I'm packing, some looks, maybe give you guys some holiday inspo if you're doing like some, what's it called, a summerish warm winter holiday, getting some sun, or just a sunny holiday, a hot holiday, because Barbados is gonna be like 30 degrees, so that's why you have to be a bit creative with the fits and probably a bit more creative with the accessories and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get into the vlog. If you're new here, I'm georgeslegarcon. Great fashion, lifestyle, sports, just entertaining content. So make sure you subscribe because it's always entertaining. And yeah, let's get into the vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So in this segment, I want to talk about, obviously, I'm going Barbados tomorrow. It's Sunday now. I thought before I pack, I'll show you guys just some of the stuff I picked up for the trip and some stuff that I already had that are just gonna be like my go-tos for the trip. Nothing too brief because I don't, nothing too long because I don't want to show you like literally everything I packed because some of the stuff is just boring, vintage tees, the works. But I thought I'd show my big hitters kind of thing, stuff I'm really looking forward to wearing, as well as just some other stuff to give you guys inspo. I thought we start off with the accessories. So I got these sunglasses from Chimmi. My first pair of sunglasses in a while, because ever since I was a kid, my mum used to always buy me sunglasses and I would always lose them or damage them, or just, I haven't had sunglasses in a good like 5-6 years. But my mum would always grill me saying, you know, you get eye damage in the sun, blah blah blah. I'd always wear a cap, so she'd let me off, but she's like, you're grown now, you gotta get yourself a pair of sunglasses, blah blah blah. So I found a pair that I like from Chimmi. This is a Chimmi case. Comes in a nice like leather case. It says Chimmi on it. Pretty cool. Comes, I have to say, packaging, everything, detailing is so neat. Leather case. Nice little cleansing pad to wipe everything down on. And yeah, these are glasses. I got these in tortoise shell, and I believe in Chimmi they're like the number. So I think these are the 0.5. So these are them. These are the shades that I got. They still got the plastic on them, literally fresh out of the box. But yeah, I need these. I needed some shades. They're nice. I feel like I like them. Nice enough for me. I like the tortoise shell color. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having sunglasses. This isn't really as exciting as what I thought it'd be, especially trying them on. But you have to have oh, I feel like I swallowed a fly. You have to have a pair of sunglasses as an adult, apparently, or you're not an adult. The second accessory that I'm looking forward to rocking the most is my zhang Birkenstocks. If you're previous to the channel, you've seen previous videos, you know I've got these. I actually got these for a steal at the time on Mr. Porter
always save your money for Mr. Porter as soon as Christmas is done, January sale. I think these retailed at like 260. I got them for £80 on Mr. Porter sale. It was my size. They only have my size left, and yeah, long story short, I pulled the trigger on these. I got these literally for like, I think it was 80 quid, because I got like an extra 10% off as well. So these are zhang Birkenstocks. A lot of people know the name because he's made a lot of designs with Moncler as well. When you're seeing all the puffy Moncler helmets, that was the same creator, zhang. Graduate from Central St. Martin's in London, I believe. So a lot of cool designs, and I've also seen more collaborations from him pop up. He recently did a collaboration with Adidas, I believe, on some Sambas or campus shoes. So it's really cool to see that more brands are doing collaborations with him. But yeah, these are definitely some of my favorite Birks. I don't get a lot of wears out of them because I'm scared of destroying the white upper, but we're heading to the beach. You know, I look forward to wearing these. Toes out. You know, I need to trim my toes tonight, make sure everything's all good down there. But yeah, I'm looking forward to these a lot. And yeah, we'll get into some of the clothing pieces now and give you guys some inspo. So the first clothing piece I got here is this like sheerish knitted beach top from Stussy. I believe I got it 2 years ago now. So Stussy spring summer 2022. It is very sheer. You can literally only probably wear it at the beach or very summery, very hot locations. So it's like just a cover up really, but I like it. I think with a vest and everything on a night out, it looks really neat. And I wear it, I've had a lot of compliments for this vest. I think the first time I styled it wrong. I styled it with a white vest, and then the contrast is a bit crazy. But I think when you style it with a black vest underneath, it looks quite nice, quite flowy, and I definitely like it in terms of for the beach, because it's like you're having something on, but it's so thin almost. You can see straight through it, everything, like you can see everything through it. So it's nice to just throw on the top of your black vest and just, yeah, I mean, or if you're brave, you just rock this topless. I personally wouldn't, because I like styling it with the black vest underneath. I think it's super neat. But yeah, few people asked about this. I'm not sure if they have a new iteration of it, but if they do, I would highly recommend for those super hot locations or those beach holidays. I always think like it pairs so nicely, is it? And yeah, just opened up. It's quite nice, quite casual. So, and yeah. So, piece number one. Right, so the next piece of stuff I'm looking forward to styling are these Dickies loose fit shorts. Now I got them in the longer fit. They're slightly longer than I'd normally go for, but I just thought, yeah, these are cool. These kind of go with everything, and I just like how they're a little bit long line. I feel like you can dress them smart and still dress them pretty street, and kind of they'll go with everything. So I would definitely say for anyone looking, these are a solid pair of pants to go. I feel like females as well, especially, you could probably rock these open and probably just have your bikini underneath or whatever. The one thing I would say to bear in mind is that they fit fairly high waist up here. So if that puts you off or you don't like that style in shorts or trousers, I wouldn't recommend that, because they come up my waist quite a bit. But other than that, like the length of them, I feel like the cut is nice. And then the only other off-ish thing is whenever you get like canvas, I feel like there's such a long break-in period. So like right now these feel a little bit stiff, so you can tell they're gonna need some breaking in, but I feel like they're pretty cool and they would go with a lot, and there's quite a lot of different ways you could style these. So Dickies, loose fit shorts, highly recommend. I actually saw a pair in navy. I was gonna order them as well, but they wouldn't have come in time. But I feel like a color like navy in these shorts would just look perfect. It would literally just, again, go with everything. So highly recommend this short and silhouettes for both male and female people. So yeah. And then these are the last shorts that I have. These are my COS shorts. I had these for like a couple of years now. I just wear them with everything and anything. They're quite neat, quite smart, so kind of go with everything. So what I recommend out of this is, if you go to COS, they have the best stuff for if you're just buying something quickly in a rush, but it turns out to be the best stuff. So shout out COS. So shout out my guy Mario as well. Made this brand, Fortune Concierge. I know he wants to dabble a bit more into sportswear, so it's like a sportswear brand. For those of you know, like Eric Emmanuel, that type vibe, Palace type vibe, more of the sporty side. So might not be everyone cup of tea on the channel, but if you're into like sportswear and shorts and stuff, Mario designed nice little sportswear shorts you can wear to the beach. And I believe the splotches on these, they aren't actually random. They're meant to be the continents of the actual continents of the world. So that's what the actual patches are. It looks like camo from far away, or like they've done camo, but it's actually continents. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm excited to see where he takes his sports brand and how far he's able to go. But yeah, that's one of the family, one of the gang. So shout out Mario for sending me that. Actually, I was saying to him, oh, this might not be here in time for my trip, but it actually was. So I'll be rocking these on the beach somewhere with my toes out, sandals up. But yeah, those are all the pieces that I'll be bringing in this vlog. I'm gonna try, well, those aren't every single thing. Obviously I've got some other stuff, but, you know, I can't show you all my cards. But yeah, make sure you follow me on Insta. I'm gonna be posting content on there. Follow Eloise on Insta, because she normally posts better food content than me. I just get it and just eat it straight away. She actually takes a photo. Make sure you follow her as well. I'll leave my Insta below in the bio. So yeah, just for anyone that is going Barbados or is thinking of everything, or is thinking of the Caribbean, follow the vlog next Sunday, and I'll probably have all the updated places, all the updated restaurants to go to, things to do, stuff to explore, as well as some, you know, some holiday fits, some good content. But I'm really lucky to be going. I feel really grateful. It's come at the right time. Just come off of obviously my boxing national tournament and I'm ready to relax. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and as always, take it easy. Thank you for watching the vlog. Take it easy, and I'll see you next vlog.